Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be removing a background from a picture. Then this kind of picture, what do you want to use it for? Example, YouTube thumbnail pictures. You know those pictures that you use in your YouTube thumbnail, you have to remove the background in order for your thumbnail to look neat and sharp. You have to remove the background. So I'm going to use a software that is free to achieve that. If today is your first time of seeing my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also tap the notification button so that when I post the next video you will be able to see it, and also give this video a thumb up if it helps you achieve what you are looking for. Then let's dive into the picture editing. Now I'm going to use the software called remove BG. That's the software I'm going to use to achieve this. The software is called remove BG. Then if you want to upload it, it's an app. Go to your Play Store, you'll be able to upload it from there. I'm going to tap on it. And I'm going to say upload. I'm going to choose a picture to upload. It's preparing the upload. It's uploading. It has gone to remove background. It's open now. Then in edit, if I want to edit it to add other feature, I can still edit it from here. So if I want to edit it to add new background, maybe I don't want to use that one, I can use this one. So it's coming. I can use this. I can use this. I can use blur, and I can also decide to leave it the way I uploaded it, or I can also decide to choose a color here. If it is white color or black background, plain black, I can also decide to choose the background I need for it. The background I need for it. So let's upload it. So let's upload it now. As you can see, there are other colors. Should in case you want to change the color and you don't just want the background to be plain like that, maybe your video background is yellow, you can still put this yellow, or maybe your video background is just like that, you can still put it there. So this is it. We have already removed the background, so let's upload it. Preparing image for upload. Download. So we are done. It's in your gallery now, so you can use it to do anything that you want to do. See you in my next video. Bye.